Introducing the Advanced Clitoral Pump, a sturdy, multi-orgasmic stimulator with a soft, sensuous sleeve made of a safe and pure material. This pump will drive your clit crazy with its sensational suction action. It features an advanced design with a head that flexes for optimum positioning and has 3 intense speeds of vibration. The suction cup is 2 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. The controller and release valve are made from a safe and pure durable plastic. The rubber bulb is connected by a phthalate-free PVC hose. The sleeve has tantalizing ticklers. It's the perfect feminine oral stimulator. It's easy to use. Just press the button to access the 3 speeds of intense vibration. This stimulator uses 2 AAA batteries. The suction is controlled by an easy squeeze hand pump with release valve. It is available in pink or purple. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your clitoral pump with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Enjoy the ultimate in oral orgasmic bliss with the intense vibrations and suction of the Advanced Clitoral Pump.